Yo, nation. What it do? What it do? What it do? Ooh, got that thing on me. What's up? Brother, man, what's happening with y'all, man? Glad y'all came back, man. We're back up in here with another one, man. Before we go anywhere, y'all know what it do, man. Go ahead, like the video, comment, subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell so every time I drop, y'all know. Damn, battery low already. Well, ain't gonna take me long. Also, man, y'all see I got it on. Below Nation dash creator dot spring. No, I'm sorry. Below Nation dot creator dash spring.com, man. Hit the website, man. Get the look, man. You know what I'm saying? From probably start dropping new stuff. You know what I'm saying? From probably start dropping, man, new items on the site, man. Y'all check them out, man. Today, man, y'all see Bay over there sitting in the cut. Yes, sir. Y'all see Bay sitting in the cut, man. Today gonna be a little different video, man. Finna work on the Firebird, man. I know I rarely ever come on here, man, and do anything, any videos pertaining to the Firebird. Well, actually, the Firebird got a new name now. Me and Bay were talking the other night. You know, she just be talking. She was like, yeah, baby, so the Redbird. I was like, what? She was like, the Redbird. I was like, what Redbird? She was like, the car, your car. I was like, Firebird? She was like, you know what I meant. I was like, nah, man. That was supposed to happen, man. So from now on, man, this right here is the Redbird, man. But anyway, I got a few things that need to be done to the Redbird, man. You know what I'm saying? I got some shocks. I got some rear shocks, man. I need some rear shocks on this thing. I don't know if y'all can hear that when I be driving, but it be making like a little noise. So I gotta get some rear shock. I gotta put my rear shocks on. Today, I noticed that my temperature hand wasn't working. So I looked it up. Supposedly it's the thermostat. So I'm finna see if it's a thermostat. I'm gonna change the thermostat. I already bought everything. Change the thermostat. If not thermostat, I'm gonna go ahead and change the coolant temp sensor, which they right around the corner from each other, right up in there. And also, man, I don't know if y'all familiar with these headlights, man, but these headlights, the gears go bad on them. They make the grinding noise when you close them and all that. Sometimes they won't come up and all that. So I'm gonna let y'all hear that in the video. But yeah, so I'm finna get to it on the Redbird, man. Just wanted to bring y'all in. Glad y'all came back, man. Hope y'all liking the footage. Go ahead, consider subscribing, man. Let me get to work. Alright, so I got the thermostat out. I'm gonna put the other one in, and guess what? They ain't give me the gasket, man. This crazy. I don't know why I ain't shake the box for it. They ain't give me the gasket, so hopefully, I hope I ain't gotta bleed the system, man, when I put this back on here, but more than likely I probably am. Man, it's crazy. Like, I don't want to deal with all that. But it ain't no hard thing to do. I just don't want to do it. I just jack it up and do it, but yeah. I'm finna have to go back up here, man, cause boy, I tell you. But anyway, yeah, man. Matter of fact, I can let y'all hear this headlight. It might not even come up. Hold on, let me see. See, it came up. It came up. It did the little noise at the beginning, but it caught and came up. But watch this. That's the noise it make, man. So I got a whole repair kit coming for that. I ain't going with the nylon gears. I'm going with the brass gears again, which I had that in here at first, but I don't know what happened. So I ain't going with that. I'm going with the brass gears. Do that, grease it up real good, because I didn't grease it at all last time because I didn't know. So I got a whole repair kit this time. So yeah, I'll have to take the headlight out. It won't be tonight because the repair kit I ain't got here yet, but I have to do that. So I'm waiting on Ash to get here right now, man, so she can run me back up to Advanced Auto Parts so I can try to get the thermostat with the gasket on it cause I'm not reusing that gasket. So yeah, man. Hit y'all in a second. Run up here right quick. Yo, I'll be back. And I can tell the car running and the fans are still on. I have no idea what is going on at this point. So I'm finna have to go do some research, man. Like, I changed out the thermostat. I changed out the coolant temp sensor. Like, there's a brand new radiator, so I ain't worried about that. The only thing that I can really see left is the water pump. But is that why my gauge not working though? Like, my temp gauge not working. Like, it's not moving. So I don't know. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to get in here, man, and do some research. But like I said, like, there's plenty of antifreeze in here. Plenty of antifreeze. New sensor, new thermostat. I don't know. So what I'm about to do is, I'm about to go ahead, man, and go on here and get on YouTube, man. Go on and research, see what I can come up with. But like I said, it just started doing this today. Like, I've been driving the car and there ain't been no problem. Matter of fact, I was in it the other night. It wasn't no problem. It was a Saturday night. I think it was a Saturday night. Wasn't no problem. So I'm trying to see what's up, man. And go ahead and do some research. I don't know. I'll get y'all back, man, if I find out something. But I will say this though. Whatever is going on here is going on there. Because when I put the new harness on, both of my fans are running constantly. Both my fans running constantly. I don't know, man. So you got a problem with Big Red and Big MayRose. It's the same thing going on, so I'm gonna look and see. I'm gonna see if I can find something out, man. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So I came outside. I went and did a little research. I came outside. Let me see. Is that fan on? Nope. Y'all see that fan not on. This fan not on over here. Is it? Is it? Nope, it's not on. So I seen some people saying that it could be the high side of the AC. So I came right here. I took this relay out, fan was still going. Took this relay out, I think the fan was still going. Took this relay out, it killed it. It killed the fans. Okay. So I checked in here to see if any of my fuses was blowed. I left the relays out. I came over here to see if any fuses was blowed. Nothing was blowed. So I came over here, unplugged this sensor, the high side sensor. Unplugged it. Fans, I unplugged it, put the relays back in, no fans. So I'm like, okay. I come in the car. The temperature gauge reading. Temperature gauge reading. So I'm like, okay. So the reason I'm figuring, the reason why the temperature gauge wasn't reading, for whatever reason, it might have been the temp sensor, it might have been the thermostat. I don't know. I changed both of them, but now, like, the car did, like, I turned the heat on, I turned the air on, the secondary fan came on. So the fan, oh no, I thought that was the fan. The fan is working. Man, I don't know what it was, man. Like, I don't know if the computer needed time to reset itself or what, but the fan working. I cut the air off, the fan went off. I've been letting the car run. The car got up to temperature, and then the main fan came on, cooled it back down to temperature, went back off. So I don't know what's going on with that, man, but yeah. So I'm gonna drive it tomorrow, man, cause I ain't doing nothing tonight. But I'm gonna drive it tomorrow and see. Hopefully it don't run hot on me. Hopefully everything work how it's supposed to. Let me make sure this temperature hand ain't got up too far. Hold on. Okay, now the temperature hand is right in the middle. Well, right, like it's not in the middle, but it's like over this way towards the cool side. So it's more toward the cool side than it is the hot side. And so it's not all the way midway yet. So I don't know. I don't know what I did, but I just told y'all what I did. Like I took all the fan relays out, took off that high pressure switch, the high side, the pressure switch on the AC line, and then I plugged everything back up, and that's what I had. So I don't know. And like I said, the fans was working. Sound like I'm on now. Nah, I don't know, man. Like I don't know, but that had me worried, because man, because I don't just, you know what I'm saying? I don't need to be having car problems right now. Like I got a gang of other stuff going on, so car problems is not what I need right now. And the gauge is still where it was. It's not even midways yet. So I don't know. Maybe I need to take the relays out of the Chevy, man, and see what's going on. If something going on with it, man, I don't know. See if one of the relays bad or something, because both of the fans on the Chevy. So, man, I don't know. But yeah, man, I just had to come back and tell y'all that, man. Hopefully it stays the way it is, man, and don't give me no problems or whatnot. But man, I'ma sign out with this video right here. Cause yeah, that done gave me a headache, man. I've been in the house, man, for at least 2 hours, man, researching, trying to see why my fan's doing that, because it wasn't doing that before it got cold. Like it got real cold here. We had the ice storm or whatnot, and it wasn't doing that, man, before, you know, it just started doing it today. So I was just trying to figure it out, man, because I can't be down. But yeah, hopefully whatever it is, man, it won't come back. It'll stay gone. But if I gotta change that high pressure switch, then I guess I just gotta change it. That might be what I have to do. I might have to change the high pressure switch. It might be bad, because like I said, after I unplugged it, well, I can't even say that, because I don't even know. I took all the relays out, put them back in, and the fans were still trying to go. When I unplugged that and plugged them back in, nothing did nothing. So the switch might be bad. So if anything else happen, man, the fans come back on or whatever, I'm gonna see what's up with this switch, and we just go from there. But anyway, man, yeah, I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Like I said, man, hit the site, man, belonation.creator-spring.com, man. Get your merch, man. Man, subscribe to the channel, man. All that good stuff. Yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. Man, it's your boy B-Lo. It's your boy, I was finna say B-Lo 25, man. It's your boy B-Lo Nation, man. And we up out of here.